Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing a quick, I guess you could say installation, or how the all-weather mats look like and installed. And this is going to be on a 2025 Nissan Sentra. And these are, I guess, I'm going to compare them with the WeatherTech, because I did buy WeatherTech for my other vehicle. And I just wanted to show how it looks like compared, you know, if the money really is worth it or whatever, on a 2025 Nissan Sentra. I know it's a different vehicle, but I guess the floor mats should be very identical. So this is what comes inside. Oh, and that's the brand that I got. I got them off of Amazon. Real Auto. You can see right there the installation guide. Okay, and you can see there's two that go in the front and then one in the back. Let me go ahead and just install it so you can see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how the ones in the back look like when they're installed. And you can see there, the actual fit, I actually like it better compared to the ones from WeatherTech. I'm surprised, because these are like more snug, and you can see it has like more of a shape into the vehicle, at least in this particular model. You could check out my other video from the WeatherTech, and you can actually see and compare the difference from the ones on the back row seat. I think these are a little bit more snug and have more fit to the vehicle, at least in this particular model. So let me do the ones on the front. Okay, and here is the ones in the front, at least the driver's side, installed. You can see how it has the little latches on it that hold on to the mat. And you can see here, and this is one thing I did not like about the WeatherTech, at least for my Jeep. This portion here kind of like cut off, and it had a lot more of the, I guess, the original carpeting exposed. This one actually goes up a little bit higher, you can see there, and covers more of the protection of the carpeted area. So far I'm liking these a lot better. So let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, one thing, when I was taking out the carpets, I noticed there was this black little bag on the side. Let's see if you could probably see kind of what this is. I'm gonna try to figure out what it is. I'm not too sure, but it's like something extra for the vehicle. And they didn't end up providing like these little metal things to hold on to. Oh, and one thing, now that I'm looking at the passenger side, you see how the other ones had holes like here and here for the one on the driver's side to hook onto. This one does not. And if you can see the back part of it, there's no way to punch it out. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. This one, it only has one on this side that it holds onto, but it's not going to be able to hold onto it unless an actual hole is made. So that's probably the only downside I've seen so far. And what I'm probably going to do, I'm just going to make a hole using a drill bit. So let me go ahead and do that, and then just make the hole big enough for this to go through. And you can see there, you could have an idea where it'll go straight in the middle, right? But it'll be on this side. This thing doesn't punch through or anything. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so there's the hole that I made on it, right in the center. And I used this drill bit. I don't know if you can see the measurement there. It says SSH, and it says 8 divided by 2. So I guess it's 8 seconds or whatever. I don't know what specific measurement that is, but that's the one I used. And it's identical to the hole on the other side that came already original from the driver's side. So that one should fit. I'm gonna put it on right now. Okay, so you can see there the floor mat is already installed on the passenger side, and you can see it goes up pretty high. I like that. The sides, they're all right. I have to check because I drive both cars and I always forget to look down, but you can see here how it's kind of like flat on this side. I don't remember too well, but I think the other one is a little bit curved up to catch the debris in the dirt or whatever. So I guess that's a plus for the WeatherTech ones. So just check out both of the videos and then let me know what you think. But you know, if you want to save some money, you know, these are pretty good. So let me know. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the Robert's Video Machine. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. Any questions, comments, tips, or anything else, you know, let me know. Thank you.